We're a bunch of peaceful protesters. We're sitting on the ground blocking this parking lot when a correctional officer in this SUV comes barreling through us. Correctional officer came out and physically pushed us out of the way and then pepper sprayed us, which is burning my face right now.
It's unbelievable. It was just absolutely unbelievable. This guy just charged and tried to injure people purposely.
Back up.